Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on what is the shortcut for you to put the current date, current time, and the page on your Microsoft Word document. So let's go quick into the process. So we just need to open Microsoft Word, go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now let's start with the shortcut for the date. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the keys that you're going to click for your physical keyboard, and I will show you it through the on-screen keyboard. Okay, so first is you need to simply press Alt plus Shift plus the D key, D as in date on your keyboard, and that's it. So it's Alt plus Shift plus the D key. And as you can see, the current date will appear on the screen. Now, the next thing is for the current time. So for that, the shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus T. T as in time. Okay, so it's Alt plus Shift plus T. And now the current time is displayed. And for the current page of your blank page or your page in your document, simply press Alt plus Shift plus letter P key. And this is page 1. So what is stated is 1. It's Alt plus Shift plus the P key, P as in page. Okay, so that's it. Those are the easy shortcuts for you to put the date, time, and the page, current time, current date on your Microsoft Word document. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.